Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on a short trip. I've come here for a short trip to Hyderabad, so I thought I should take you guys along. And we are heading to IKEA, and I'm here. I'm gonna go have fun, so I thought I should take you guys along. Like please, I'm a player, yeah, it's true. But I changed the game for you. Really, got it. Can I be for real? This is how I feel. Having need of love. Stay on that oh, you're just my high. Everything's so high. I just wanna feel. Stay on that circular mirror, 7,990. The same one for the elongated one, same price. Okay, this color I haven't seen. I've seen this in white, but I haven't seen this in this color in Bangalore. So as you can see, the frames are like $299, pretty reasonable, so pretty.
And Christmas is my favorite time. Christmas is my favorite time of year.
Which I told you guys, and this one is like 33 as a whole, and this the same thing Alex draws, but a little more compressed vertical version of it is like 10,000 bucks. I think the sliding doors and windows is like much better, like 79. I think in Bangalore there was like a steal deal of like 64,000, which is like really good.